Welcome back to Booze on the Rocks, where we make cocktails for everyone. My name is David Edwards, and isn't it time I took you out on vacation? Let's get into it. All right, it's great to have every single one of you back here today. I am thinking about vacations. I'm thinking about sandy beaches, beautiful sunny weather, a nice light breeze, just enough to keep you just cool enough, but still being warm and toasty and sunburnt, just like my nose from walking yesterday. Go figure, the only thing that burns on me. Anyways, I wanted to share a nice, simple drink with you. This is a Malibu Pineapple Breeze, and I've made a few changes to it because the standard cocktail for this is just Malibu rum and pineapple juice. So let's adjust it slightly and turn it up a notch. This is a build in your glass cocktail, and for this I'm going to use a nice beer glass. I nearly knocked it over, not good. However, simple and easy is our middle name. So we're going to fill this with some. And it looks great so far, but you're gonna grab the lemon lime soda of your choice. Now I've got Sprite here, it's what I happen to have in my bar. You can choose whatever you want, maybe a San Pellegrino, you could do Schweppes, totally up to you. And for this we need 4 ounces or about half a can. And you just wanna decant your glass slightly sideways and gently pour it in. And we're going to do this way so that we don't lose any of the carbonation. Oh, look at that. Grab your coconut rum of choice. In this case, we're using Malibu Coconut Rum. Now, Malibu is not technically a coconut rum. It is made with Caribbean rum and coconut liqueur. To each their own. Where you can call it a rum, call it a rum. It's simple, it's easy, I like it. And we need 2 ounces or 60 milliliters. Next, you want some oranges. And we're gonna take 1 orange, and we're gonna cut this in half because looking at this, it looks too big for my squeezer. And we need 2 ounces of this. It doesn't fit in my squeezer. Give me a moment while I manufacture this. Oh yeah, look at that. Very, very nice. The next thing we need is 2 ounces of pineapple juice. I prefer pure pressed pineapple juice. I don't have any pineapples that I can easily press for this. However, I'm just using unsweetened pineapple juice. Use the pineapple juice and the orange juice of your choice. And for this, we need another 2 ounces or 60 milliliters. Oh, look at that color. Perfect. Absolutely gorgeous. And I'm just gonna top this up a little bit more just to fill my glass. Grab your bar spoon. And all we're going to do is we're just going to very gently stir this. All we're doing is just mixing up the juices, the Sprite, and the coconut because you want everything to mix really, really nicely. Now you could shake it if you want, minus the pop because it'll blow your shaker apart. However, we are gonna garnish this with something nice. I want a nice Maraschino Cherry. In this case, I'm using Maraschino cherries just to give me a little bit of color and a little bit of that awesome syrup. Look at that. Gorgeous. It's like the sun on a summer's day. Simple, easy. The coconut liqueur comes through beautifully, but it's not overpowering. You get the bubbles of the Sprite, you get a little bit of the orange and the pineapple juice, and it blends so well together. Super easy to drink. You could knock these back while sitting on your back deck, no problem. And with such a low ABV to such a large size glass, you're set for the day. What I am going to do is I'm going to put the ingredients and the method of how to make this down in the description for you. If you think I should use a different type of coconut rum, different type of soda, different types of oranges or pineapple juice, if you even wanted to substitute in something like mango juice, please leave a comment down below and let us know. If it's the first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell notification. That way, every time we put up a new video, you will be notified. And if you'd like to help support the channel, please check us out at patreon.com/booze on the rocks because every little bit helps us to bring these videos to you. I'm gonna go sit on the deck. to share a drink with you. It's simple, it's easy. You can sit at the local park, although you're not going to make this in a local park because probably city bylaws where you are will not allow you to drink in public. However,